In this video, I'm going to turn you from a casual user into a professional ChatGPT user. We'll go through each topic, and I'll show you several key and practical tips that will make the results you get from ChatGPT more accurate and professional. In this video, I'll cover 6 important areas with tips that can completely transform your results. If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT properly and effectively, stick with me until the end of the video. Let's go! 1. Optimize the description before generating. Before creating any image, feed the AI a simple idea and let it rewrite the description into a polished, professional visual brief. It automatically adds lighting, angles, colors, textures, and composition. This boosts clarity and produces cleaner, more intentional images instead of random outputs. 2. Generate multiple variations of the same concept. Instead of relying on a single attempt, generate several versions of the same idea with subtle changes, different lighting, perspectives, backgrounds, or artistic styles. This rapid variation lets you compare options instantly and lock onto the strongest design without wasting time. 3. Fix or upgrade images without starting over. If an image looks good, but has one flaw, maybe the hands look wrong or the lighting is off, there is no need to rebuild it from scratch. The AI can refine only the flawed part while preserving the rest. This is especially powerful when working on thumbnails, characters, or branded visuals that need consistency. 4. Build a personal visual style. Create a repeatable style profile that defines color palette, lighting type, camera angle, character look, and overall mood. Then generate future images using the same profile. This creates a consistent visual identity across different topics and makes the entire content library feel cohesive. 5. Extract the best visual elements before rendering. When unsure how a scene should look, ask the AI to list recommended visual elements first, such as lighting setups, moods, focal points, poses, or background details. These suggestions act like a virtual art director and lead to sharper and more aesthetically balanced results. 6. Create portrait, landscape, and square versions instantly. For multi-platform content, generate the same image in multiple aspect ratios, vertical, horizontal, and square, without losing composition quality. This delivers optimized visuals for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and websites without messy cropping or resizing. 7. Generate images based on emotion or purpose. Instead of describing the scene only by objects, define the emotional goal: fear, excitement, calmness, mystery, or high-tech energy. The AI converts these abstract goals into lighting, colors, contrast, and camera choices, producing images with stronger mood and storytelling impact. 1. State the final goal from the start. Begin by clearly defining what you want as the final outcome. When the goal is explicit, ChatGPT aligns every step toward that target. This reduces confusion, removes unnecessary drafts, and creates a direct path to the exact result you need. 2. List the key constraints up front. Constraints such as tone, length, format, or target audience help shape the output from the very beginning. When these limits are stated before the main request, the model builds the answer inside those boundaries, making the response more consistent and focused. 3. Use an example to guide the style. Even a short example sets the tone, structure, and level of complexity. ChatGPT treats examples as a model to follow, which makes the final output much closer to what you expect. The clearer the example, the more accurate the result. 4. Break the task into steps for higher accuracy. Complex tasks work better when divided into stages. For example, first analysis, then structure, then the final version. This method forces the model to focus on one objective at a time, improving clarity and reducing errors or unnecessary details. 5. Avoid vague or general requests. Requests like "make this better" or "write something good" are too open. When the criteria are unclear, the model guesses. But when the expectations are specific and measurable, the output becomes sharper, more relevant, and much easier to use. 6. Ask for a quick analysis before the final answer. Requesting an initial breakdown helps the model think through the problem. This extra layer produces more organized and logical results. The final answer becomes stronger because it is built on clear reasoning. 7. Give precise feedback when correcting mistakes. If the output is wrong, point out exactly what failed. Clear feedback improves the next version dramatically. Each correction helps the model understand your expectations and adjust its approach more accurately. 1. Turn any question into a structured breakdown. Instead of asking a broad question, request a multi-layer breakdown. The AI can separate definitions, concepts, use cases, risks, and examples. This turns a vague topic into a clear, organized knowledge map that is easier to understand and easier to use. 2. Ask for source-style summaries. The AI can rewrite long content into formats like bullet notes, lecture summaries, or executive briefs. This keeps only the core insights and removes filler, making it ideal for fast learning, research preparation, or reviewing complex materials. 3. Request comparison tables for faster understanding. When stuck between options, tools, strategies, topics, or theories, you can ask the AI to build a comparison table. This highlights differences, advantages, and limitations in seconds, reducing research time and helping with clearer decisions. 4. Generate examples to deepen understanding. Asking for multiple examples, simple, medium, and advanced, helps translate abstract ideas into real use cases. It makes technical or complex subjects easier to absorb and apply in real scenarios. 5. Turn confusing text into plain English. When content feels dense or academic, ask the AI to rewrite it in simple, direct language. This removes complexity and reveals the real meaning behind the text, making research much smoother and faster. 1. Turn daily tasks into simple checklists. Any set of tasks, morning routines, errands, or personal goals can be turned into clean checklists. This makes the day more organized and removes the mental load of remembering everything. 2. Make fast decisions with pros and cons lists. When facing a choice, the AI can generate a clear pros and cons breakdown. This helps see the situation objectively and speeds up decision-making without overthinking. 3. Summarize news and articles for quick updates. Instead of reading long content, the AI can condense news, blogs, or reports into short summaries. This keeps you informed with only the essential points. 4. Plan events or days in minutes. Whether it's a small gathering or a full-day schedule, the AI can build a structured plan with timing, steps, and priorities. This reduces planning time and avoids missing details. 5. Generate shopping lists from simple ideas. Input a meal idea or home project, and the AI turns it into a complete shopping list. This makes preparation faster and eliminates forgotten items. Today's video covered using ChatGPT more effectively. Each of these approaches provides a faster, clearer, and more structured way to achieve real results with AI. If you found this content useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us.